What's going on? It's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the maximum spec model of the 2020 MacBook Air. As always, you will find the full specification for the particular machine that I am using in the video description. Also, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified of when I upload any of my new videos. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So the model that I am unboxing today comes with a 1.2 GHz quad-core 10th generation Intel i7 processor, which can turbo boost all the way up to 3.8 GHz. It also has 16 GB of 3733 MHz low power DDR4 memory. This MacBook Air is also rocking 2 TB of SSD based storage. It also comes with Intel's Iris Plus graphics, so yes, you won't see no graphics card even at the price tag of £2,249. But enough about that, let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included when you spend over £2,000 on a MacBook Air. And opening up the box, the first thing that we see in typical Apple fashion is the MacBook Air itself, and placing that to a side, we get our first look at what other things come included with this MacBook Air. The first thing included is your Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. Now, taking a look within this, the first thing that you'll find is your quick start guide, which gives you a general overview on how to set up and use the machine. This is then followed up by some health and safety information, along with details on your 1-year Apple limited warranty in both English and French, and lastly, you do get your 2 color matched Apple stickers. The next 2 items included with this MacBook Air make up your 30-watt power adapter. Now, this can be modified to fit into power outlets worldwide, which is brilliant when traveling, as you won't have to rely on those cheap, dodgy power adapters when charging such an expensive machine. It will also be good to charge the MacBook in under 2 hours. The battery life on this machine is still advertised at 11 hours and 30 days on standby, which of course will be tested in the up and coming review of this product, so be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when that video goes live. And the final item to be included with this machine is the USB-C to USB-C power and data cable, which has an approximate length of around 2 meters, and as I say, can be used not only to charge up this machine, it can also be used to plug into external hard drives and other things that connect using a USB-C cable, which especially makes life when traveling around a lot easier, as you don't have to have separate cables for each individual device. And finally, onto the MacBook Air itself. Now, this MacBook Air costs £2,249, where £150 went to upgrading the processor, £200 from upgrading the memory from 8 to 16 gigs, and around £600 from upgrading the storage from 512 GB to 2 TB. As always, I will be testing and reviewing this particular machine, so if there are any particular tests that you would like to see conducted on it, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Of course, I am also going to be reviewing it and comparing it to all the other MacBook Air models that you can currently purchase. Furthermore, if you have got any questions with anything that you've seen in today's video, then don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comment section, but the best place to get in contact with me is over on my social media. You've got Instagram and Twitter, they'll all be linked down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.